All right, guys, it is currently 97 degrees and today is Thursday, and I don't remember the date. What's today, the 30th? Yeah, okay, all day long. And this is our Bermuda. Now this is common Bermuda over here and this is another type of Bermuda. So, but that's fine. Once it's cut, it's gonna look pretty good. But guys, there's a big difference from the last time we used to do this yard. All right, so this one is mowed at 2 inches. Yeah. You can see we have enough. The heat.
I filled it up.
Oh yeah?
I think it's just too much pressure.
Oh, okay. Hey, do you guys notice, and I don't know. Yeah? Okay, good. For you guys that, let me get this real quick. For you guys that mow in 100, 110 weather, right? I'm not talking about the guys who mow in 80 something and 90 something. When it gets real stupid hot, man, we usually have to pop open our gas cans in all our handheld and kind of close it back up, because the buildup, the heat, makes some of our equipment stall. So is that a technical term? Just curious. All we do is just pop everything before we actually use it. Now let me show you real quick, guys. I have an exhaust in my trailer. See that? And it's a solar powered exhaust that I purchased at the Home Depot. And let me show you the top. That's what it looks like. All right, so my trailer doesn't stay as hot as other ones. All right, guys, enjoy the mow. So I was moving extremely slow because this have a lot of dips and holes. So my goal is to ensure that this is mowed as neat as possible. Yeah, we have some little light spots or whatever the case might be, and that's just because of the contour of the turf. But this is mowed at 2 inches and is watered and fertilized often. How much more?
That's it.
Oh, that's it? What's wrong?
Spider went outside my glove.
Oh shit, now you're gonna turn into Spider-Man.
He ain't bit me.
Oh, okay. What do you call a lawn care guy that's bitten by a spider? Not Spider-Man, right? spot a long guy. Oops. Yeah. So man, I forgot where I was going with this video. Yeah, we just break that up, put it in a bag. All right, so yes guys, so this is Bermuda grass, common Bermuda and some other variety, but that's okay compared to, and I'll show you, look at this, that is the neighbor, that's centipede. That's centipede grass, so you can tell the difference, right? All right, and that over there is centipede, and that's Bermuda. Good. And it's holding on pretty good, guys. It's funny how, because I didn't use certain people's suggestions, they said let's put a wager on a time frame for it to fail. You know what I mean? Jugga's just malicious, man. Malicious. I'm telling you, some of you guys, man. I don't know why I do this sometimes. My feelings get hurt with some of your comments. Now I'm only joking, guys. Don't take this seriously, all right? Please. Woo. All right, let me, all right guys, yeah, other than that, just a quick video to show you my Bermuda property that we maintain, and we mow at 2 inches. It is extremely hot, and we have soon to have a drought notification here in our county, so we'll see from there. Other than that, guys, from me and my man Q, have a blessed one. Get out there and do it. I know it's hot, man. Drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. And take care of yourself, guys. Pop smoke. Peace.